Today we're going to be making salt dough, and we're going to be making ornaments out of it, and it's good for a Mother's Day project or just a gift if you want to give it to someone, or you can make something for yourself and you can hang it somewhere. So we have cookie cutters, different shapes, flowers or butterflies. This is an egg shape, but you can use whatever you want for it. And I have some toothpicks, so we can do writing on it if we want to. And if you have a straw, you can also use a straw to make a hole, but I just have this, so I'm just gonna use this to make a hole with it. I have a rolling pin, and I have a large bowl for mixing. I have some water, salt, and flour. So those are the things we're gonna need. 3 simple ingredients: water, salt, and flour. So we're gonna be making salt dough now. Everybody has their tools. You guys have your little cookie cutters and things. You guys gonna come help me make this?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys want, you guys can come sit right here, because we're just gonna use it right here. So come up here, sit down, be very careful, please. All right. So I have a measuring cup, and this is a 1 cup measure. So we're gonna need 1 cup of flour. Would you like to do this?
Yeah. Where? Which one?
Right here. Just scoop it in. Put 1 cup of flour in there. Big cup. There you go. Oh, we need some more than that. Big all the way. There you go. Whoa. Dump it in the bowl. Now remember, when you do these measurements, if your dough is too sticky, you can add more flour. And if it's too moist, if it's too sticky, you can add more flour. And if it's too dry, you can add more water. Just do it gradually. Okay? 1 cup of salt. Liam, would you like to do that?
Yeah.
A cup of salt. Let me open this one. All right. Go ahead and fill that up with salt. Come on, bud. Hold it. Hold this, please. Thank you.
There's too much.
Nope, all the way full.
All the way?
All the way.
You need a lot?
We need very much a lot. Is that it?
Yeah.
It's salt dough, so we need a lot.
I'll hold it.
All right. Go ahead and dump it in. 1 cup of salt. Dump, dump. And now we're gonna need 1/2 cup of water. All right. And then we're gonna mix this all together. So go ahead and start stirring that for me. Take turns. We're trying to get it till it's pretty good looking, and then we can roll it out and make our shapes. We're gonna wanna preheat our oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake these for about 3 hours, depending on how thick you make them. Keep going, keep mixing. Use some muscles. Okay, so we're back. Now we have our salt dough. It kind of looks like Play-Doh a little bit. Of the color. It's squishy still, a little bit hard, so that's good. I'm gonna give you guys each a piece, and you're gonna roll out your own piece so you can make whatever you want with yours, whatever cookie cutter size things you want with yours. Okay?
Okay.
So first we're just gonna mush it a little bit to kind of get it all the same consistency. Make sure everything's mixed in there well. All right. Then you're gonna put it on there. Yep, flatten it just like that. And you're gonna roll it out a little bit so it's a little more flat. Give it a little bit of pressure. There you go. Keep going. We want it kind of thick because we want it to last a long time. We don't want it too thin. That's good. Let go, please, bud. All right. Now, did your ornament fit on there? Go ahead. You want to do yours?
Yeah.
You gotta flatten it out a little bit. Then go ahead and roll.
I'll do it.
Okay, lift up. Okay, now you can just peel around it like that. See what I'm saying? Peel it around. Now you can make another one with the leftovers. Keep going. I've got some parchment paper here and a pan that we're put in the oven and a flat spatula. You can do it right on the parchment paper. That's kind of easier, but we've already started, so we're just gonna scoop it up with a spatula. All right, and that works fine. Nice job.
Is that enough?
A little bit more flat to make it even. Let me help you. All right.
Whoa, that's so big that I did.
Okay, now you can make your stamp in there.
Okay.
So we're gonna keep making some more of these, some more shapes and things, and we'll show you the product when it's all done. It's gonna take about 3 hours, so when they're all done, I'll show you some pictures of how they look. You can paint them with acrylic paint. Just make sure you seal them with an acrylic sealer or some kind of sealer so that they last a long time. We hope you guys have fun with it. Be safe when you're with the oven. Make sure you have a parent with you. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless you. Hi, we're back. Okay, so now we have our salt dough, all the different shapes that we made, all done. We cut them out, we baked them in the oven, and now they've been cooled off, and now they're ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're going to paint them, and then we have some acrylic sealer, some Mod Podge to go ahead and finish them off when we're all done. So we have these sponge brushes that you can use, especially if you have lettering. It gets in between really easily so that it will get the whole thing covered. But you can use just regular paint brushes as well. And then we have different cups for our paint to go in. We have acrylic paint that we're using. And we have some glitter. So right when we're done painting it, we can put on some glitter and then we'll spray it with the Mod Podge and it should stay. So we're, that's okay, here. And then, so we're gonna do that right now and we're gonna get that all finished up and we'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. Stay tuned.